G'day everybody, it's Matt here, and today I have got the Renogy Battery Monitor. So this is the RBM500 Battery Monitor, and it is made in China. So right in the top of the box here, we have our manual and warranty cards. Then coming underneath that, we've got the monitor itself and the shunt for it. So this is the battery monitor display. Now this particular one is the 500 amp model. You can see on the back here on the label, it's ticked whichever model it actually is. And we have a connection here to run off to our shunt. And of course, as the back of this indicates, it must be connected in series to the negative circuit of the battery pack in order for this to actually function properly. So continuing on, then we have the shunt here, which is quite heavy, and these are and is quite a sturdy piece here, very solid. And the bolts for this look to me like they're not an 8mm bolt, but rather a 10mm. Yep, this is an 8mm cable I've got here, and that is too small. So these are going to be a 10mm, as is often the case with these shunts. So that's going to need about 10mm to go over that one. So these are a couple of bolts, and it appears there are some washers in there too. And then on the top of this shunt, we've got a couple of labels on this shunt. The B negative, this is the side that goes to the battery negative, and then P goes to the rest of the system negative. And so this is again connected in series running that way. And then we've got the plug for the cable to run over to the display. This Perspex is actually a holder. It does have a little bit of movement in there. So you just run some screws through to bolt that in wherever is going to be convenient to keep your shunt located safely. Coming further into the box, we have a positive cable. And so this just has a little pole connector here. And that's going to slot into either of these. And this runs off to your battery positive terminal before the load. And then lastly in here are just a couple of little things, some screws for mounting our shunt, and of course a shielded wire. And this wiring is to run between the battery and the shunt. So that's got that cable at both ends for connecting it up, all ready to go. And so this is a 6-meter cable, so hopefully that'll give you plenty of length to connect it up wherever you need this shunt to go. So that's it. That's everything that comes in the box with the Renogy battery monitor. So I hope you found this video helpful. For more information and pricing on this one, make sure you check out the links down in the description, and of course give this video the thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. Bye for now.